Stuck with the Shfusion.dll failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Before the technical guide for Shfusion, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the Shfusion library. It provides unmanaged routines for the Windows Explorer to display and manage the Global Assembly Cache, GAC. It facilitates the visual data link for the .NET binary manifest. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. This error indicates a corrupted or missing Windows system file. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to restore core components including Shfusion.dll. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Shfusion file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Please use caution. Replacing Shfusion.dll manually often requires administrative permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your PC open to external attacks. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. The repair utility linked in the description provides structured information on managing Shfusion and system health. If Shfusion is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.